In a class there are 30 boys and 25 girls. So in a class, okay, in a class boys and girls are there. Boys and girls. Boys and girls together they form student. Okay, so student consists of boys and girls. How many boys are there? 30 boys and 25 girls. So how many student total? Total how many student? 55. Total number of students are 55. Of which total 55 students, out of 55 students, 30 are boys, 25 are girls. Now we want to find what percentage of boys is in the class. Simple question. We are given number. This number we have to convert into percentage. So what we will do? Yes. So percentage of boys, write in this. Percentage of boys in class. Percentage of boys in the class. There are how many boys in the class? Tell me. Yes, you have to find percentage. No. 30, not 30. Don't say 30%. It is number. 30 is number. So 30 number of boys. 30 number of boys out of how many students? Out of not 25, 55. So 30 upon 55 multiplied by 100%. So to find percentage of boys, we are given number of boys 30 boys out of how many students? 55. Multiplied by 100%. Yes. Yes. No problem. So that is 30 upon 55 into 100%. Now simplify. You can cancel 55. 11 5s are 55. 20 5s are 100. Yes. So now this will be 30 into 20. 30 into 20 upon 11. Upon 11%. 30 into 20 is 600. 600 upon 11%. You can convert this into mixed fraction. Divide 600 by 11. 11 5s are 55. Then this is 50. 11 4s are 44. Then it is 6. 6 is left. So this you can write. 54 is to 6 upon 11%. How many percent of boys are there? 54 is to 6 upon 11. Is it clear? 54 is to 6 upon 11. Is it clear? So simple question. You are given number of boys 30. Out of how many students? 55 students. Out of 55 students. So to find percentage of boys, number of boys upon total number of students multiplied by 100%. Multiplied by 100%, you will get percentage for boys. Similarly, if it is percentage of girls, number of girls divided by total number of students multiplied by 100%. Okay. Now this 11th will be completely homework. 11th we have done. 3 upon 2 is to 5 as percentage. Yes. 11th one. Should I give complete homework? Yes or no? My dear, we have done. My dear, we have done. What is there? 11th one we have done. Fraction into, yes. So 11th first. 3 is to 2 by 5. 3 is to 2 by 5 as percent. As percent. 3 is to 2 by 5 as percent. Yes. Percent. How you will convert this? You will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is that? 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. Then how you will convert a fraction into percent? Tell me. Multiplied by 100. So that is 17 upon 5 multiplied by 100%. You can cancel this. 5, 20, 100. So that is 340%. 17 into 20%. So 340%. Yes, very good. So we have already seen how to. Yes, my dear, I am going to give homework because similar type of problem, how much we will solve. Okay. So 0.075 as percent, convert decimal into fraction. Okay, so convert decimal into fraction. Then once you get the fraction, multiply by 100%, you will get the percentage. Whenever decimal is given, you convert decimal into fraction by removing the decimal. You convert decimal into decimal fraction. And once you get the fraction, multiply by 100%, you will get the fraction, you will get the percentage. Second, 0.075. 0.075. Homework 0.0, sorry, 0075. 0.0075. Okay. This will be homework. Then 3 is to 2 by 20. This is the ratio. 3 is to 20. Yes. You want me to solve this 3 is to 20? Tell me. Then we use the concept of ratio. What in my A ratio B? A ratio B means A upon B. So what in my 3 ratio 20? 3 upon 20. Now 3 upon 20 is a fraction. This is my numerator, this is my denominator. So it is a fraction. And once you get the fraction, how you convert a fraction into percentage? Tell me. Multiply by 100. So 3 upon 20 into 100%. Okay. 25 is 100%. 25 is 100. So 3 into 5, answer will be 15. Answer will be 15%. Okay. So this is the problem of ratio. Then 60 centimeter as percent of 1 meter 25 centimeter. Yes, next one. What is that? 60 centimeter. Okay. So fourth one, 60 centimeter as percent of 1 meter 25 centimeter. 1 meter 25 centimeter. So both should be same unit. This is centimeter. So this also you convert into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. What is that? 125 centimeter. Now how will calculate percentage? Load is clear now. Yes. How you will convert this into percentage? So that will be 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter upon 125 centimeter multiplied by 100. Yes, very good. So centimeter get cancelled. Then 125. 25 5s are 125. 25 4s are. You can cancel 25. 25 4s are 100. Then 5 12s are. 5 12s are 16. So answer is 12 into 4. 12 into 4%. That is 48%. Yes. So if it is centimeter, this also should be in centimeter. It is given meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter you add 25 centimeter. 125 centimeter. Yes. Now 12th one. Okay. Now 5th will be homework. 9 hour as percent of 4 days. 9 hour as percent of 4 days. 9 hour and 4 days. So one is given in hour, one is given in days. So days you convert into hour. 1 days has how many hours? Yes, 1 days has how many hours? 24. So 4 days will have how many hours? That also. Okay. Now 5th one, 9 hours. 9 hours as percent of 9 hour as percent of 4 days. 4 days you convert. 4 days you will convert into hours. 4 days means 4 into 24 hours. That is 96 hours. Okay. Then further part will be homework percent. Okay. Then 12th first. Find 2% of 2 hour 30 minutes. This also will be homework. Find 2%. Find 2% of 2 hour 30 minutes. 2 hour 30 minutes. Yes, tell me, my dear, how you will solve it? You want me to solve this? Tell me. No, let me solve this. Find 2%. 2% of 2 hour 30 minutes. You convert into minute. 1 hour is so 150 minutes. Yes. 2 hour 30 minutes. 2 hour 30 minutes means 150 minutes. So 2% of 150 minutes. Now this is same as x% of y. What do you mean by 2%? What do you mean by 2%? 2 upon 100 of means multiplication. 150 minutes. Yes. So let us cancel 1 0. Let us cancel 1 0. 1 0 get cancelled. Now it is 15. 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. Then 2 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2. What is that? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Answer is 3 minutes. Answer is 3 minutes. Yes. Then what percent of 12 kg is 725 gram? What percent of what percent of 12 kg is what percent of 12 kg is what percent of 12 kg? Chalo, ठीक है. Second one, we are given 12 kg. We have to find percent of that. What percent of 12 kg is 725 gram? 725 gram. This is gram and this is kilogram. So first you have to convert kilogram into gram. So how? 12 into 1000 gram. So that is 12,000 gram. 12,000 gram. Okay. Now this is gram. This is gram. How you will calculate percentage? Yes. So percentage is not 12,000. No, not 12,000. Smaller unit will be in the numerator. Which is smaller? 725. 725 gram upon 12,000 gram. 100%. Yes, 100%. Mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone. Enough. So now 2 zeros get cancelled. 2 zeros get cancelled. 725 upon gram get cancelled. So this is 725 upon 120. 725 upon 120%. You can cancel. You can cancel 25. You can cancel 725. You can write 25 into 25 2s are 50. 25 2s are 50. Then 25 1s are 25. And 120 you can write 25 8s are. 25 8s are. No. 25 8s are no. You can cancel them by 5. Chalo, let us cancel them by 5. Cancel them by 5. Okay, 5 into 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 into 24. 5 5 get cancelled. 5 5 get cancelled. 145 upon 24. Now nothing get cancelled. 145 upon 24. 145 upon 24%. You can convert them into mixed fraction. Yes, divide. 24 6 are 6. 1 upon 24%. 6 into 24 is 144. plus 1. Okay? Yes, is it clear? Yes. Now, now see this, 8b is not there in the reduced syllabus. 8b. Which one? चलो ठीक है. 725 upon 120. 725 I can write 5 into 145. 120 I can write 5 into 24. 5 get cancelled. 145 upon 24. When you will divide 145 by 24, divide 145 by 24. 145 by 24. 24 6 are 144. And 1 is left. So this I can write mixed fraction. 6 is to 1 upon 24. Yes, clear? Now 8b is not there in the reduced syllabus. 8b. 8b is omitted. Okay. 8b is not there in the reduced syllabus. So 8b is completely omitted. Okay. 8b is completely omitted. Now we have to see 8c, but before 8c we have to find the concept increase. Increase means yes, increase means plus, decrease means reduction, minus. Okay. 1 minute. A increased by B%. What do you mean by this? A increased by B%. Yes. So A, no, not A plus B, my dear. A increased by B% means it will be A increased. Increase means plus. B%. B% means B% of A. B% of A. So what is that? Tell me. That will be A plus, what do you mean by B%? B upon 100. B upon 100 into A. This is the formula. A increased by B% means A plus B% of A. Similarly, you tell me A decreased by B%. A decreased by B%. Decrease A. So we write A, decrease means minus. B% of which number? B% of A. B% of A. So what that will be? A minus B upon 100 multiplied with A. So it is A minus B upon 100 into A. If it is decrease, it is plus. If it is increase. Okay? What is clear, my dear? What is clear? Yes. Okay. So, for example, which logic we have applied? See, 5 increased by 3. What do you mean by that? 5 increased by 3. We write 5 plus 3. No, we don't write only 3. We write 5 plus 3. So, 8c. 8c. Okay, 8c. Let us solve the question 8c. 8c. First, the salary of a man is increased from 600 rupees to 850 per month. Express the increase in the salary as percentage. Okay. So, the salary of a man from 600 rupees, it is increased to, don't need to write the question, draw this, 850 rupees. From 600 rupees, it increased to 850 rupees. Salary. Find the increase percentage. Salary. Find increase percentage. Okay, so first you will find increase. Increase. Then you will find increase percentage. Okay. So what will be the increase in salary? Tell me. What will be increase in salary? Yes, tell me. What will be the increase in salary? 600 rupees, it increased to 850 rupees. So increase of salary will be difference of these two. That is rupees 850 minus rupees 600. So increase in salary will be rupees 250. Yes. So this is the increase in salary. But what is asked to us? Yes. What is asked? See here. This 600 is my original salary. 600 is my original salary. And this is increased salary. Okay. Okay. So what is asked now? Find the percentage increase. So how will find the percentage increase? That will be increase in salary upon original salary multiplied by 100%. What will be increased percentage in salary? Increase in salary upon original salary multiplied by 100%. So now we find percentage increase. Now we find percentage increase in salary. Percentage increase in salary. Now we want to find percentage. So we write increase in salary upon original salary, increase in salary upon original salary multiplied with 100%. Now can you tell me what is increase in salary? Yes, what is increase in salary? 250, no? Rupees 250. 250 upon original salary. What is the original salary? The starting is the original salary. What is that? 600. My dear, original salary is 600. 600 is increased to this. So original salary is 600. Multiplied by 100%. Multiplied with 100%. So rupees get cancelled. Then 2 zeros get cancelled. So that is 250 upon 6%. 250 upon 6%. This is same as 125. 125 2s are 250. 3 2s are 6. 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. 125 upon 3. 125 upon 3%. You can convert this into mixed fraction. What is that? What? Yes, 41. 41 is to 2 upon 3%. This is percentage increase in the salary. 41 is to 2 by 3. What is that? 41 is to 2 by 3%. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, very good. So, to find percentage increase, we write increase upon original multiplied by 100. Percentage increase will be increase upon original multiplied by 100. Percentage decrease will be decrease upon original multiplied with 100. So these two formulas you write. Okay. Now let us calculate second. Increase second. First, increase 60% by 5%. Increase first 60 by 5%. 60 by 5%. So just now I told you which part you have to increase. You have to increase 60. So I will write 60 plus. Increase means plus. How many percent? 5%. 5%. Of which number? 60. Okay. Increase 60. 60 I have to increase. So I will write 60 plus. Then 5% of 60. Let us go 60 plus. What do you mean by X percent? So 5 upon 100. Of means multiplication. 60. Then 1 0 get cancelled. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. So this is 3. 60 plus 3. That is 63. 63 is the answer. 63 is the answer. Yes. So 5% of 60 will be 3. So we add 3 rupees, add 3 to 60, you will get 63. Then increase 20 by 15%. Yes, what that will be, tell me, my dear? Increase 20 by 15%. Yes? Uh, 15% of 20. 20 plus 15 plus 20 plus 15% of 20. You have to increase 20 by 15%. Okay? Yes. Chalo, second. 20 by, increase 20 by 15%. 15%. This will be homework. Okay? Now third one. चलो चलो ठीक है, let me write one more. चलो, this will be 20 plus 15% of 20. Okay, then rest of the part you can do. Third one. No. When you write this, when you write 15 upon 100, then percentage sign will not come. When you are dividing 15 by 100, because 15%, when you are writing 100 for percentage, no, nothing will come, my dear. Okay? Yes, 23, correct, absolutely correct. Now third one, 48 by 12 is to 1 by 2%. So what you will write? Tell me. 48. Increase 48. So 48 plus 12 is to 1 by 2% of 48. 12 is to into 1 by 2% of 48. So let us go step by step. 48 plus mixed fraction you convert into improper fraction. What is that? 25 by 2. 25 by 2% of 48. So that is 48 plus. Yes, what do you mean by? No, my dear, this is 25 by 2. So what do you mean by x percent? So this will be 25 by 2. 25 by 2 divided by 100. Correct? When we remove percentage, I have to divide by 100. Then off means multiplication, 48. So let us see, 48 plus 25 by 2. Now this division we convert into multiplication. So we take reciprocal of second, 1 upon 100 into 48. Now you cancel. See here. 25 4s are 100. Then 4 12s are 48. Then 2 6 are 12. So answer is 48 plus 6. Answer is 48 plus 6. And that is 54. Yes? Everybody has understood? Okay. Answer is 54. Answer is 54. Answer is 54. Okay? Answer is 54. Chalo, ठीक. 80% by 140%. Should I give homework? 80 by 140%. 80 by 140%. 80 by 140% means 80 plus 140% of 80. Now further part homework. Okay. Then fifth one. 1000 by 3.5%. 1000 increased. 1000 by 3.5%. Yes, how you will do this? That will be 1000 plus 3.5%. 3.5% of 1000. Let me do this. Check. Okay, so 1000 plus, what do you mean by 3.5%? What do you mean by 3.5%? No, 3.5% means 3.5 3.5 upon 100 of means multiplication 1000. Then tell me, two zeros get cancelled. What is left? 3.5 into 10. So 1000 plus 3.5 into 10. And see here, my dear, you have to follow BODMAS. You cannot add. First you have to multiply. You have to follow BODMAS. So that is 1000 plus, what is 3.5 into 10? We have seen the decimal, that will be 35. Yes? Yes or no? 3.5 into 10 will be 350. Then remove the decimal, 35. So that is 1035. Answer is 1035. Answer is 1035. Answer is 1035. हाँ हाँ yes हाँ which one? Which chapter? हाँ yes. For doubt clearing, हाँ integer we will clear the doubt in the revision. I will take 1 week complete revision. There you can clear the doubt. Okay. 1 week we will keep the revision for doubt clearing session only. Some 6 to 7 period we will spend in the revision. Okay. So this was increased. This was increased. Increase means plus. Now let us see decrease. Third one, decrease. Third one, decrease. Decrease means minus. Now decrease 80 by 20% first. 80 by 20%. Same thing, same concept. Now it is decrease. Yes, so you will write 80 minus, decrease minus 20% of 80. So we go step by step. 80 minus 20% means 20 upon 100. Of means multiplication 80. 1 zeros get cancelled with this. 1 zero get cancelled with this. What is left? 2 into 8, 16. 80 minus 16. So the answer is 64. Okay, so 80 is decreased 20% means you will get the answer 64. Now 300 by 10%. Decrease means minus. Decrease means minus, increase means plus. See, there are many students from E division and F division, still they have not sent the Gmail ID and Aadhaar card. So today is the last date. Okay, without fail you send the Gmail ID and Aadhaar, because we have to upload that, update that in the MICM portal. 300 by 10%, decrease. Decrease 300 by 10%. Yes. So that will be decrease 300 minus 10% of 300. Yes, very good. 10% of 300. That will be 300 minus 10% means 10 upon 100 into 300. Now 2 zeros get cancelled. 2 zeros get cancelled. So 300 minus 10 into 3. 300 minus 10 into 3. And see here, you cannot subtract first because BODMAS, yes. So first multiplication. So 300 minus 30. The answer is 270. The answer is 270. Okay. Now 50 by 12.5%. Chalo, do it. Decrease 50 by 12.5%. Decrease 50 by 12.5%. Chalo, do it. Decrease 50 by 12.5%. And tell me the answer. Decrease 50 by 12.5%. Chalo. Decrease 50 by 12.5%. So third one, that will be 50 minus 12.5% of 50 of 50. So that will be 50 minus 12.5% means 12.5 upon 100 multiplied with 50. Yes. Yes, do it. 1 0 get cancelled. 1 0 get cancelled. 1 0 get cancelled. Okay. Then 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Yes. Or you can keep there only 5 only, no problem. If you don't want, this is 5. So this is 50 minus 12.5 into 5 upon 10. Multiply 125 and 5. 125 5s are 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 5 1s are 6. 625. So what will be the answer, my dear? 50 minus 62.5, no? 62.5, no? 62.5 divided by 10. Now see here, I have taught you, whenever there is decimal, wherever there is 10, 100 in the denominator, then how many zeros are there? You have to shift the decimal to the left. How many 0? 1 0. So shift one decimal to the left. What will the answer? Yes? Huh? No, no. Because I want to, 10 is there, no? 10 is there, so I can divide. 1 0 is there, so you can shift the decimal to the left. So that will be 50 minus 6.25. 6.25. You can easily do. That is 43.75. 43.75. Yes? Yes or no? You can, instead of dividing that, I can shift the decimal, no? Instead of dividing that, I can shift the decimal. Yes? This technique I have taught you. Whenever there is 10, 100, you shift the decimal to the left. Yes? So answer is 43.75. Now we stop here. We will continue this in the next period. Without fail, all of you send Aadhaar and Gmail ID, E division, F division.